Hello tech folks, I'm Andrew. Today, you're going to be impressed by these self-defense gadgets that can save your lives. Let's get into the video. Imagine this scenario. When an attacker demands money, they likely won't be surprised if the victim reaches for their wallet. However, the clip-lock self-defense tactical wallet is designed with safety as the top priority. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's incredibly robust, capable of withstanding even a 9mm caliber weapon. This wallet isn't just for carrying up to 7 cards and a stack of cash. It can also hold your keys securely. Its strength is evident in its ability to damage a watermelon, showcasing its durability and effectiveness as a self-defense tool. Meet Strobe Defender, which boasts the world's finest strobe and siren combination, along with a built-in power bank. This technological marvel shines brightly with 990,000 lumens and emits a loud 140 decibel sound to alert those nearby. While the power bank's capacity may be modest at 4,000 mAh, it conveniently attaches to the back of your smartphone. Priced at $39, the Strobe Defender offers an affordable yet effective solution for personal safety. Protect what matters most. Strengthen your home defense with the doorbell. Surprisingly, many doors in modern houses are vulnerable, capable of being forced open by an adult in under 4 seconds. The doorbell system removes the element of surprise for homeowners, giving them more time to alert the authorities. Suitable for inward opening doors, it boasts easy installation. Secure your peace of mind with this system, available for purchase at $40. Joe Caswell is a remarkably versatile individual, boasting skills in guitar, piano, fencing, and shooting sports, along with holding a journalism degree. He's particularly esteemed among knife enthusiasts for his invention and craftsmanship of unique models. One standout example is the CRKT Provoke, featuring an impressive kinematic opening system. Connected to the handle via 2 levers, the blade unfolds smoothly, creating a protrusion that allows extension without finger contact. However, this innovative knife comes with a price tag of $200. Sabre has introduced an intriguing innovation in pepper spray technology. After deployment, it automatically sends a message containing location coordinates to pre-selected contacts. This feature is made possible by connecting the spray to a smartphone via Bluetooth. Managing contacts is made simple through the official app, which also includes a panic button for added security. Additionally, Sabre offers a subscription service where data is relayed to a 24-hour call center employee who can notify the police if necessary. Priced at $30, this pepper spray is effective up to 3 meters and can be used up to 25 times. Introducing the Stun Gun 519, positioned as reliable self-defense gear. This model is equipped with a built-in flashlight designed to potentially disorient assailants. Its knuckle duster shape guarantees a secure grip, while its compact size, measuring 7.6 by 9 centimeters, ensures portability. Packing enough power to immobilize an attacker for several minutes, it's available for purchase at a reasonable price of $18. Meet Stinger, the keychain designed to assist you in encounters with aggressive individuals. This handy tool boasts a siren, a glass breaker, and a cutter, making it versatile for various situations. The siren is said to carry up to 183 meters, adding an extra layer of safety. Its unique design is even patented, and it's powered by 3 LR44 batteries. You can purchase this innovative keychain for $25, ensuring peace of mind wherever you go. A trucker from the USA innovated this concealed whip, cleverly hidden within a belt or shoulder strap to catch attackers off guard. The advanced version is meticulously crafted from steel cable, while a more basic option utilizes nylon and is ideal for practicing strikes or deterring dogs. The shoulder strap equipped with a steel cable is available for $89, offering a discreet yet effective means of self-defense. Meet the Hyper Whistle, rightfully crowned as the world's loudest whistle, generating over 142 decibels of sound. Its ear-piercing volume isn't just for show. It's actually utilized on American aircraft carriers, having been commissioned by the U.S. Navy. The development process spanned over 2.5 years, resulting in a whistle that remains effective even underwater. For just $15, you can acquire this remarkable piece of equipment for yourself. While finger sling shots may be compact, they certainly deliver a powerful impact. Some are even promoted as hunting slingshots. With weights as light as 35 grams, these slingshots can propel projectiles at initial speeds of 50 meters per second. Many sellers highlight the enjoyable shooting experience they offer. Their pocket-sized design allows you to carry multiple at once, making them convenient for setting up friendly competitions wherever you go. Introducing the Dapper Defender, a comb that's more than meets the eye. This concealed self-defense weapon comes at an affordable price, priced at just $10. Don't let its budget-friendly nature fool you. It features an 11 centimeters long blade, with a total length of 23 centimeters. Compact enough to slip into many women's handbags, it's a practical addition to your everyday carry. As the seller suggests, they could make great gifts for your friends. The CN 180 Degrees backpack has got your back, quite literally. While you might think it's armored, the makers have done something even cooler. This backpack boasts a built-in camera equipped with smart AI algorithms, keeping a watchful eye on what's happening behind you. If it detects anything unusual, it sends a notification straight to your smartphone. Additionally, the backpack comes with a hefty 20,000 mAh battery and a solar panel for recharging on the go. You can secure your pre-order for the CN 180 Degrees at $443. The creators of Tactic Key have a straightforward message: safety is a mindset. They're firm believers that wearing this accessory will act as a constant reminder to remain vigilant. Tactic Key is a unique device that turns an ordinary key into a self-defense tool. Unlike more conspicuous items like brass knuckles, it flies under the radar and weighs less than a gram. Despite its discreet appearance, this enhanced key is remarkably effective, leading the makers to confidently price Tactic Key at $13. The Wrap Company is at the forefront of developing tools to improve criminal apprehension. Take, for example, the Bowler Wrap, a device designed to immobilize fleeing criminals by deploying a Kevlar cord. Effective at distances of up to 8 meters, it reloads in a swift 6 seconds. Already in use by U.S. law enforcement agencies, the Bowler Wrap is making its way to 59 countries worldwide. Available for purchase at $100, it offers an innovative solution for enhancing public safety and aiding law enforcement efforts. Here's another fascinating find: the Shin Portable Arm Shield, available in the martial arts section on Amazon. Priced at just $80, this shield is designed with versatility in mind, focusing primarily on self-defense. Measuring a modest 47 centimeters, it's compact enough to slip into a range of briefcases, bags, and backpacks with ease. What's more, it caters to both right and left-handed users and is remarkably lightweight, tipping the scales at just 700 grams. In the realm of self-defense, there's no shortage of options, from pepper sprays to brass knuckles and pins. However, these items can sometimes slip our minds when we leave home. That's where Knife steps in with a unique solution: integrating a knife into a smartphone case. The knife features a 5.4 centimeters blade and is designed for easy gripping, even in low-light conditions. Unfortunately, the Kickstarter campaign didn't gain traction, possibly due to its price point. The creators were asking $89 for a set containing the knife and a sheath. The designers behind this knuckle duster have drawn inspiration from military history, particularly episodes from the past. The tool's design mirrors the handle of a trench knife, reminiscent of those wielded during World War I. Beyond their historical nod, these brass knuckles boast a practical feature: a built-in bottle opener. Furthermore, they come in a compact size, measuring 8 by 7 centimeters, and are affordably priced at $18. In the TV show Peaky Blinders, characters are known for concealing blades in their flat caps. Inspired by this concept, the creators of the gotcha cap took a similar approach, but with a twist. Instead of a blade, this unique self-defense tool is concealed within a regular baseball cap. While it lacks sharp edges, the brim is designed for both striking and blocking blows effectively. The gotcha cap is available for $45, offering a discreet yet practical solution for personal protection. Envy has certainly left its mark on the fashion accessory scene with this bracelet. At first glance, it looks like any other bracelet, but it holds a surprising secret. Hidden within its design is a capsule filled with an extremely unpleasant-smelling substance. In the event of an attack, all you need to do is activate the bracelet by pushing the button and pulling it, releasing the foul odor to deter the assailant. Priced at $74, it may seem a bit steep considering it's intended for single use, but for added peace of mind, it's a small investment worth considering. To improve your personal safety, many vendors offer telescopic batons, which are typically quite budget-friendly. For example, on a Chinese website, you can find a set of 3 batons for just $12. Additionally, you can conveniently carry these batons using universal holsters. Customers who invest in these holsters will appreciate their 360 degrees rotation capability, making them versatile for accommodating batons up to 66 centimeters in length. Each holster is priced at around $12, providing an affordable and practical solution for carrying and accessing your batons whenever needed. Let's shift our attention to the Wonder Hoodie. Yes, that's its actual name. This extraordinary garment boasts exceptional durability, capable of withstanding cuts, punctures, and even fire. There's no sleight of hand involved. The creators achieved this impressive resilience through their innovative SWX fabric. Available in a unisex style with 7 size options to choose from, this hoodie is priced at $795, offering both protection and style without compromising on comfort. Picture this scenario. You find yourself confronted by a robber, armed only with a pin tucked in your pocket. What do? Rather than resigning yourself to writing your last will and testament, consider this. What if your pin happens to be the Pavashot pin shot? This innovative pin doubles as a self-defense tool, firing a compound similar to pepper spray, allowing you to effectively deter a mugger from a distance of up to 9 meters. And if the situation escalates, the pin's serrated edge can provide added protection. The Pavashot pin shot is available for $149, offering both peace of mind and practicality in uncertain situations.